somewhat. You can smell it somewhat. Okay, let's. One fine pine. Definitely. You know, last time I checked, some of these, I thought it was the glitter and snowflakes. Oh, Lordy. This one is definitely it. The cashmere and vanilla. Seem like they smell stronger now. You know, I don't know. Now, Dollar Tree also have these candles as well. This is the Sugar Plum Fairy. The scent is like it's fading. Okay, fade. I mean, when you first open it, smell it. You know, the scent is strong, but then it feel like it's fading. Hey, honey, are you ready for this? The tree showdown. Place to be out here, finna move my feet to the beat. You get what I'm saying? These glasses are so thick. Oh my goodness. Whoever used these, honey, you just blind as a bat, okay? And no shade. These glasses are $1.50. Ciao. Let's get into this, shall we? Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. So we just out here moving and groove. And honey, they got so many new items at the Dollar Tree. Check these items out. And let us know what are some of the items you definitely are on the lookout for. Check this out. Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. Okay, so today we are at the Dollar Tree in a place to be. Honey, how about this? Okay, have you seen the viral dupe sanitizer? Hand sanitizer, Touchland dupe. How about it? Okay, so they have a few. Moisturizer hand sanitizer. Honey, I'm so excited. Hand sanitizer with collagen. Oh, now, Sugar Plum Scented. Now, these are $1.25, but honey, it gets better than that. Looky, cookie. Look at this one. So, this one has hyaluronic acid, moisturizing hand sanitizer, champagne scented. Do you see the sparkling gold at the top? Honey, get into it. But not only that, doll faces. Let me tell you something. They also have the hand sanitizer cases that goes right with it. How cute is this? Love this. Now, not only do they have that, they also have the purple one as well. Love this. Honey, Dollar Tree is just out here showing out for the ones and twos and threes. You get what I'm saying? Honey, we out here just moving our feet to the beat. Let's get into this Dollar Tree haul. So another new item that Dollar Tree has at this location is the Lip Stain Precise Tip for a Cleaner Look Rosewood. Oh, this is nice, from Be Pure. Oh, no, you're good. Now, they also have another color as well, Camilla. This one is the same as their concept. It's a lip stain, precise tip for a cleaner look as well. Really cute. All right, family, so remember I talked to you guys about the Daydreaming Ione Beauty Bar. Honey, they had some amazing hits in here, but they still have some amazing hits like the pH Kiss Bomb. This is really, I like this. This is $1.25. It goes according to your pH. They also have the baking powder as well. Now, if I'm not mistaken, this is supposed to be a dupe of Huda. This is the Cool Pink. This is $1.25. They also have the brow gel. Get into it. Now, I do have the brow gel, but the one I have, it is clear. This one is chestnut. They have the lip oils over here, and as you can see, honey, somebody done ran through this. They have the candy apple with hyaluronic acid. This is a lip plumper. Now, one of the things about the lip plumpers, you do feel a hot sensation, so, you know, just FYI for that. And then they also have the honey ginger as well. They also have the orange zest when it comes to the pH. Skin Natural pH Balm, Lip Balm, $1.25. And if you guys have not seen these flavored toothpastes, oh my goodness. When I first seen this, I didn't know exactly how I felt about it. Because I was like, flavored toothpaste, for me is a no-go, but maybe you may like this. So they have the vanilla ice cream. They also have the chocolate ice cream, cookies and cream, mint chocolate chip ice cream. Oh my. Now, amazing item is definitely the Repair Smoothing Foot Cream. Love this stuff. This is with vitamin C and shea butter. And then they also have the Smooth Exfoliating Foot Cream with brown sugar and almond oil. Oh, this smells so delightful. Hands down the best of the best. Honey, child, this is too cute. And if you guys are really fancy, Dollar Tree definitely has these gold claw clips. $1.25, and then they also have this one as well. And if you guys are really fancy, Dollar Tree definitely has these gold claw clips. $1.25, and then they also have this one as well. So Dollar Tree has the 4-piece extra large hair coils. I like these. I mean, these are nice in my opinion. These are $1.25. You get 4. Now Dollar Tree also have these head wraps. These are $1.25 as well. And you know how they have the red stickers? A lot of the times when you go up to the register, they still price at $1.25. If you guys are looking for some wig clips, Dollar Tree is definitely in a place to be with the Softy 10-pack wig clips. Great for holding and styling, honey. Now, if you want to get your Beati Sweetie something, men's hair and beard styling, Dollar Tree definitely has Larry's Choice styling cream with beeswax, low to medium hold, low shine, and then they also have the putty looking like the Uddy, and then they also have the fiber wax as well. Pomade, they have $1.25. So to the folks out there that wear glasses, Dollar Tree has the eyeglasses cord. This is giving, old-fashioned granny. But honey, you got to do what works for you. Now, these are, I believe, $1.25. You want to keep them glasses. If you keep losing your glasses, honey, this one is for you. Now, if you gorgeous folks are looking for some bath puffs, Dollar Tree definitely has the 2-pack bath puffs, extra foaming, gentle exfoliation, and these are $1.25. And then they also have the bath glove. Honey, don't tell me you can't get your spa night on with these items. This is $1.25 as well. They also have a different bath glove. $1.25. And my favorite that I had seen yesterday was definitely these. So these are so cute. This is the exfoliating body brush. Honey, if you want to get rid of their dead skin, this is a go, like Joe. Now let me tell you something. If you go to other stores, other locations, Dollar Tree, I believe this is the cheapest where you can get exfoliate and body brush from, because other stores, honey, you're going to be paying about $4 or $5, in some cases probably even $10. If you guys are looking for some kitchen towels, look how cute this is. Sweet ass Christmas cookie. I know this right. With the gingerbread man. They also have these saucers over here with the wreaths. Love this. Honey, Dollar Tree is not playing. They also have these mugs over here that says joy. And honey, get into this. They have the plates as well. Look at this. How cute and fancy this is. Absolutely phenomenal. If you guys are looking for some mason jars, now these have pumpkins on them, okay? I guess there's, that is for, no, maybe this is for Thanksgiving or harvest. They also have 4 theme. Love this. This is cute. And look at it in the front. Honey, how dope is that? They also have the kitchen towels that goes along with the mugs and also the plates. They also have the dish drying mats. How cute this is. $1.50. And if you guys have missed this is the soap dispensers. Now, just FYI, when you buy this, honey, it doesn't have any soap in here, but these are so freaking cute. Love this. The Christmas tree. They also have the peppermint. I think this is a peppermint. They also have the truck with the tree on top. Frosty. Come on, Frosty. Come on through. Now, candles that looks good, but the scent may not be as strong. They are so cute. Now the one fine pine, this is, I believe, $5 last time I checked. They also have this scented candle. You may have thought that this was like decor, but no, this is actually a candle. And then they also have the glitter and snowflakes. All right, families, let's give this a sniff, shall we? All right, you can smell it somewhat. You can smell it somewhat. All right, family, so great news. Dollar Tree has these removable hooks, cheaper than Command. You get 3 pieces for $1.25. Okay, they also have the smaller hooks as well, 4 pieces. Bigger, well, larger hooks, 2 pieces. These are cute. These are really, really good. Now, if you gorgeous folks are looking for some baskets, Dollar Tree definitely has some storage baskets. Love these. These not, large, but they are really, really deep. This is $1.50. Christmas theme colors. They also have these. These are cute. I like these. Ooh, these are really, really nice. Honey, ain't got to think twice about that. And then they also have these as well. $1.50. These are cute as well. Ooh, somebody done put some stuff in here. Now, Dollar Tree also have the button envelopes. These are really good to put your papers and stuff just to be well organized. This is the 2-button envelope, and these are $1.25. They have different colors. Ooh, this is cute. I like that one. I want to say that's the best looking one so far. Oh, this one is nice. Well, this is the same. Now, Dollar Tree also have the desk notepads. Stay organized, big plans. $1.25. They also have this one as well. These are cute. Sticky notes, anyone? $1.25, 11 sticky notes. All right, so Dollar Tree has the black Santa coming through the way they do. This is a table decor. These are cute, all right? They also have the white one as well. These are cute. Likes this. Now, Dollar Tree also have these hand-painted shatterproof ornaments over here. 6 pieces. They also have these as well. This one is a 30 kit. This is good. Now, if you guys are looking for inflatables, 4 feet inflatables, Dollar Tree has the Christmas tree, the Nutcracker, the penguin, and also Santa. If you guys are looking for boxes for Christmas gifts, these are so cute. Or just to put around the house. I think you could just put this around the house like decor or something. No, you can put some gifts in here because it says to and from. Merry and bright, just right. Love that. Now, Dollar Tree also have the 3-pack LED glitter pillar candles. Love these. These are so gorgeous. And then they also have the gold. Now, if you guys are looking for some tumblers, Dollar Tree has the double wall tumbler. Comes in 2 different colors. They have the blue and then also the pink. And don't forget your car accessories. Dollar Tree has the Armor All cleaning wipes. These are $5. The tire foam. This is $5 as well. The little trees spray. This is $3. Then they also have the little trees. You get 3 of these for $3. Honey, that's a steal deal. $1 a piece. Now, they also have the Axe, the instant scent release. 30 days fresh. This is $3. Okay, Dollar Tree definitely moving a. Now, if you guys are looking for some gorgeous throw pillows, Dollar Tree definitely has them. They have 2 different colors, the green and also the black. These are $7. If you fancy folks are looking for some solar decor, Dollar Tree definitely isn't a place to be. They also have the Frosty, okay, the Santa, the Elf. These are cute. These are so cute. These trays over here. Look at this. The Christmas tree. This is nice. They also have the snowflake over here. Oh, yeah. Tray. Really, really cool. Those are $1.50. Now, Dollar Tree also have the 30-inch LED candy canes over here, which is really, really amazing for the walkway. These are $1.50. Now, if you beauties are looking for some ice tray Christmas theme, look how cute this is. Oh my goodness. This is so cute with the penguins. This is nice. They also have the bells. Rock the bell. I just thought of, LL Cool J. Then they also have these as well with the candy and the candy canes. Ooh, child. Bacon, some fresh cookies. Honey, make sure you send me some. But Dollar Tree has these containers. These are cute. Really, really nice. Christmas themed. Now, if you fancy folks are looking for bowls on top of bowls, these decorative bowls Dollar Tree has, these bowls are $1.50. They have the smaller ones over here. You get 2 of these for $1.50. Different colors. They also have the tinsel garland. Love this. This is cute. The doorknobs over here. That gold one, absolutely love that one. This is cute as well. This tinsel garland with the gifts on it, or presents, really nice. And then they also have these bells. All right, family, so let me know what was your favorite item inside Dollar Tree. Definitely for me, the hand sanitizers definitely was in a place to be. Honey, Dollar Tree is out here. Now, one of the things I am on the lookout for is that the EOS dupe that Dollar Tree started carrying. Hopefully I can find it today. Hopefully. With that being said, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and hype. Honey, hype this video up. Until next time. Peace.